In a quaint village, nestled among rolling hills, resided an extraordinary tea kettle. This kettle didn't just boil water. It possessed the magical ability to whistle enchanting melodies. Every morning, as the village awoke, the kettle would serenade the townsfolk, brightening their days. People would gather around, captivated by its tunes, sparking joy and community. One fateful night, a local musician heard the kettle and invited it to perform at the village festival, forever cementing its place in the hearts of the villagers.